it's Linda Medeiros, director with the Pampered Chef and host of What's Linda Cooking. Today, I needed to kind of think a little ahead for dinner, and I have a half an hour break, so I wanted to show you what I did. And quick and easy, let me show you down here. Okay, so I have my Rockcrok Slow Cooker, and I got one of those, and these, by the way, are my little mini, what are they called? Oven mitts. So in my Aldi, they had these pork butts for like $1.99, and they had the barbecue sauce. So I put it in probably early, under low. This is the Rockcrok. What I love about the Rockcrok, and it's every day, I usually use the Dutch oven. What I love about this is this inner piece right here can go into the, on top of the stove, in the oven, under the boiler, on the grill, in the microwave, but you can also put it in the slow cooker. So this is what I love about it. I can go from the stove top to the slow cooker and just get this done. And literally all I did was add some onions to this, and the seasoning was all in it, and put it in the slow cooker, put it on warm, and there it is. And we are going to put this either in tortillas, or we're going to put it in sandwiches. I actually have sandwich buns, so I'm going to do that. These are my salad choppers. Yes, I use them for salad, but I use them most often for shredding chicken and things like that. If you don't have these, definitely something. But this is Linda Medeiros, director with the Pampered Chef and host of What's Linda Cooking, with pork sandwiches and a salad tonight. What are you having tonight? Shout it out below. And remember, sharing is caring. You want to share this, please. Comment below and all of that. And everybody stay safe and keep cooking. See you later.